Welcome to the Ghost Browser Quick Tour. In this video, we'll be showing you an overview of Ghost Browser's custom features to give you a basic understanding of how the browser works. For more information about specific features, check out our other videos that do a deep dive into each of Ghost Browser's custom features. Workspaces help you stay organized and cut down on tab load. Create a workspace for each client or project you're working on to view only the tabs you need to get that task done. The sidebar allows you to see your workspaces at a glance, gives you a vertical view of your tabs, and allows for quick access to things like your downloads and browser settings. Click the Help link in the sidebar to access our support documentation for instant answers, or click Contact to send a message to our support team if you need help from a human. Our identity tabs allow you to log in to multiple accounts on the same site simultaneously and keep each account completely isolated from each other to ensure your accounts stay separate and secure. Custom colors for identities allow you to quickly and easily identify which identity you're working in. You can create temporary identities, great for quickly spot checking ads or QAing changes to your website, or create permanent identities that act like seasoned personas across the browser, perfect for keeping you logged into all the sites you need for each client. Our industry-first Ghost Proxy Control feature gives you granular control over your proxy assignments, allowing you to assign a proxy at the tab, identity, or workspace level in Ghost Browser. Stay in sync across all your machines with our custom private data sync feature, which gives you control over your own data. Instead of storing your browser data on our servers, private data sync allows you to use the solution you're already using to sync your browser data between your home and office computers, or to share your setup with a colleague. It's quick and easy to set up, and best of all, it's private. Ghost Browser has granular anti-fingerprinting technology built into the browser, but gives you an added layer of control by letting you cherry pick which features to enable in the browser, because after all, privacy isn't one size fits all, so neither are our settings. For more information about the features we covered in this quick tour, check out our other videos which do a deep dive into how to use each feature, or you can always read about our features and get instant answers to common questions in our support documentation, which you can access anytime from the sidebar.